We're in the Salem Church in Helsinki. This is Finland's largest Pentecostal church. And in just a few minutes, we'll be giving the God Tsunami message and telling them about this wave of God's transforming power that is coming through the gospel of the kingdom. And our prayer today is that the Lord will release a wonderful revelation on these Christians from Finland who are coming out to hear the message. And God will touch their hearts and will bring about that transformation starting in individual hearts and then moving to the church.